Hello everyone, welcome to German classes. So from today we are going to start our new course, that is Elementary German 1. So day 1 we are going to do the greetings, and these are some course book, that is Laguna Ein, and Studio Day Ein, Network Ein. You can download this book easily from internet, or I will provide the link in the description. You can download it from there. So let's start our today class. So greetings. In German we can call greetings as Begrüßung. These are the word Begrüßung. So let's start our first greetings in German. Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen means good morning. Guten Tag. Guten Tag means good day. Guten Abend. It means good evening. Gute Nacht. Gute Nacht means good night. Gute, it's word like when the word ends with E in a German, then we will pronounce A at last, like G-U-T. It's good, and we can pronounce it in German is Gute Nacht. Gute Nacht. It means good night. So let's practice once more time. Guten Morgen means good morning. Guten Tag, it means good day. Guten Abend means good evening. Gute Nacht means good night.